Hey, look what we got in the mail today. Looks like an Anvil Off-Road winch. This is a 4,500 pound pulling capacity, which means it's perfect for side-by-sides, UTVs, and even car trailers. Let's take a look inside and see what you're gonna get when you purchase one of these Anvil Off-Road winches. Just slice right into it carefully. All right. Got our instructions here. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we got our positive battery cables, some more battery cables, and here's our negative. We'll have to take a look and see what all this is for. Some grommets. Got our tow hook here. We got our aluminum fair lead here. And we got our hook strap here. Looks like we got a mounting plate that comes with this as well. Yep, this is heavy duty, so that's cool that it comes with it. All right, let's tear into the little stuff first. Looks like we got our solenoid box here. Set that here. Looks like it's a wireless remote as well. So this will come in handy. All right, what do we got? All right, looks like a handlebar mount. And this is actually a wired remote. So you got both options. That's a cool feature. Got a bag of hardware here. Now let's pull out that winch. It is a bit heavy. With its 4,500 pulling capacity, this is going to come in really handy. As you can see, this kit has everything you need pretty much to mount it, and this mounting bracket sure makes it that much easier. Thanks for watching. For more information on Anvil Off-Road products, visit our website at anvil-offroad.com.